Hi everyone! Today we're gonna book a new toy!
Are you guys excited?
Yep, so excited!
Okay, let's see what we have on the mystery box. Open it! Wow, what do you guys have?
Marbles!
Are you guys excited to do that?
How to open it right now?
Yes, go ahead.
What? How do you open it? Here. Set it up. Yeah. Let me have it.
Okay. Let's look at the instruction, Nathan.
What do you have there, Matthew?
We have this. I put the marble in my tummy.
Oh.
I put it in my tummy.
You put it on your tummy. Look at Daddy. Look how Daddy is helping Nathan.
The last piece we're gonna put, okay?
You have to get it out first like that. And then put it on. Where's it go? And then we'll go.
Nathan, can you help Daddy building it?
Look! Only one. I'll put it right there. Hey, doing me this around. Hey! Oh my. This is hard to kill. That one is hard. That's how you build it. You go around. They have to go like this. What's that? On the ground. You You have to put this here first. The glue, Dad.
Where?
Listen at that one.
One.
Oh, let me do next.
Two.
And the other one is I put in the plus.
Three. Okay.
Let me do it next.
That's not the right pieces, Nathan.
What?
I said that is not the right piece.
And then I already know how.
Then we go to the next page.
Yep. What? Next page.
We're gonna put this blue one there.
Another marble.
Okay. No, we're missing one.
Oh, that.
Okay. Hold on.
Can you do
No, Nathan, you have to follow instruction if you want to play it right.
Yeah, I want to play it right. So right. We'll be What does it say?
Does it go in there?
Does it say like oh my.
Matthew, can you get Daddy the red spinning wheel?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I thought Matt was going to give it to me.
Oh, it's It's okay. We're gonna put that red spinning wheel here.
Look. That has to be with the
What?
black.
Okay. That will go right there.
Then this is with
No.
the red. You're not actually. It's supposed to.
Need a tall one.
Then you put it up there. There you go. That's so high. Yep, big bill. That's how it's supposed to be. You know that. Look how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like that.
Like that.
Yeah. Go down. No, go down. No, wait. That should be like that. This is true, Dad. It's true. This is true. No, don't say one. Matthew, yeah. We're not done, Matthew. We're not done. Done. I know. No, my dad haven't built a new one. There's a cover one. There will be cover. You did it? Almost. Hey, no, how will the ball go in there? No, the ball will go in there. Daddy, the ball will be stuck. You know how it does it? Go up, go bad. Go. Oh my goodness. That's how it's supposed to be. You have to turn on. But the other one got gone. Right, Mommy? And we're done. I'm going to test it out, okay?
Yes, you will.
Okay, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Daddy. Let me put it here. No,
You put your marble. Thank you, Daddy.
He's shoving. Uh-oh. You need to tell you this can go. Oh, Mommy, this stuff. It is not going up. No. I think that will work. Not yet, okay? It takes forever. No. Now your turn. Ooh, this crashed. Where's the other one? They're gone. Where did it go?
Hey,
Hi guys. Remember to share your toys.
and why?
And why?
Because?
Because Sharon is tearing.
Oh, okay.
Or if you want to put it in here to and then you come out. Let's go again.